is going on, guys? It is Smitty here, and I'm back with another video. And so today's video, so I bought this dirt bike a little while back, and it's been great. And the only thing is, I'm experiencing a problem that's either in the crankcase or I mean, I thought it was the timing chain, but I tried to tighten up the timing chain bolt because the chain runs through here and runs right through these little gears, and that didn't work. So now I'm gonna let you guys hear this, and if you guys know what this problem is or heard anything about it, leave a comment in the comment section below. But like I've tried like looking it up, and I've found numerous things, so I was like, you know what, I'll just make a video. I haven't made a video in a while, so I'll make a video. So here it is, guys. Hold on. Alright guys, so this is the issue I'm getting. You guys hear, once I get a little bit high in RPMs, that hold on, let me take off my helmet. Once I get up high in these RPMs, there's like a rattling noise, and I'm gonna try to do my best for you guys to hear it. Hear it too well, but it sounds like it's coming from this area, and I can't feel anything, like any rattling. I thought it was a bolt at first, like maybe like a nut or something, but it's not. So here, I'll give it one more time. And then I'll do it over on this side just in case it's something over here. About this, any help at all would be greatly appreciated. Just leave it in the comments down below. And guys, soon as I get my my helmet mount, I'm going to start recording Super Moto videos. So leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.